Here I'm using standard batten wood. It's 50 by 25, and I'm using the planer to trim it up to make it look reasonably nice. Now I'm using preservative. You can use any colour you like. This is to protect it from the outside weather. Now I've cut them to 28cm length. The outside legs will be 14cm. Now I'm going to drill pilot holes first so I don't split the wood. Now I'm using 4mm by 40mm screws that will hold it in place. Now the important part here is to make sure that when you put the next one on, next screws on, that you put it the opposite side of the wood. And it's not too important of getting the holes exactly in the right place, but it does make it easier. Now this one has 6 along the top, and there's 5 legs on each side. The last 4 legs, they are 14cm, which basically means that the other legs in between will not interfere with those main legs. Now just paint it again, make sure that it looks that it has the full protection. As I said, you can use any colour you like. I'm using black. And that's it. All done. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.